Mastering speaking strategies, harnessing examples and personal experiences. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll delve into a super important strategy for the TOEFL and IELTS speaking sections, using examples and personal experiences. Trust me, mastering this will not only improve your scores but will also make your speaking more engaging and relatable. Using examples, especially personal experiences, in your speaking answers can 1. Clarify your point. Instead of a vague response, an example can make your idea crystal clear. 2. Engage the examiner. Personal stories make your answer memorable and relatable. 3. Demonstrate fluency. Being able to draw from your own experiences shows confidence and versatility in the language. 1. Stay relevant. Ensure your example directly supports your main idea. If the question is about a favorite holiday, don't talk about your pet dog, unless your pet is directly related to the holiday experience. 2. Be concise. While it's essential to give details, avoid lengthy and unnecessary elaboration. Remember, you're on the clock. 3. Use transition phrases. Incorporate phrases like, for instance, for example, or, let me illustrate this. When drawing from personal experiences. 1. Be honest. It's easier to talk about genuine experiences rather than fabricating stories. 2. Practice. Think of some common IELTS and TOEFL topics and recall personal experiences related to them. For example, if a topic is about a memorable trip, practice recalling a trip you've taken and the highlights of it. 3. Emotions count. Talk about how the experience made you feel. Emotions can add depth to your answer. 2. Relate the example to the topic. Practice speaking about a range of personal experiences to be prepared for different topics. Use a variety of vocabulary and sentence structures. Don't make your example longer than the main answer. Use the same example for multiple questions. Dive into an example without introducing it. Always use a transition. There you have it. Implementing examples and personal experiences in your speaking can be a game changer for your TOEFL and IELTS preparation. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, start by recalling and speaking about your experiences today. We hope you found this video beneficial, and as always, keep practicing and stay positive. See you in the next one.